A very good evening, everyone. Myself, Priya, is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 15 October 2020. So, in this editorial analysis, we are going to discuss two articles of today's editorial. That is, the first one is Intemperate Letter, and the second one is Unpleasant Spectacle. Firstly, we are going to discuss the first article, that is Intemperate Letter. And in both articles, I am going to give you the brief analysis, and also we are going to cover some of the vocabulary. First, we'll quick and start the first article, that is Intemperate Letter. What is the meaning of intemperate? Having or showing a lack of self-control or immoderate. Okay, the meaning of intemperate is immoderate. The Maharashtra governor is communalizing. What is meant by communalizing? Communalizing is nothing but, so you can organize what the meaning is, organize on basis of shared ownership. Generally what is the meaning of community? So sharing or a group. So organize on basis of shared ownership. Me and my friend set up a company with communalization of finances. Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari's intemperate letter means immoderate letter to Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, in which he mocked the latter. What is meant by mocked? Mock is nothing but tease in a scornful manner. Scornful is nothing but discontempt, like that, arrogant. Mock, tease in a scornful manner. She glanced at him with mock innocence. And the next, he mocked the latter, questioned his faith, and even took a jib at secularism, a fundamental tenet. What is meant by tenet? You can say that a fundamental principle, doctrine, okay, tenet of the Constitution is disgraceful. His letter written purportedly, means with purpose to seek an early reopening of temples, could have urged that without the accompanying scorn and derision. What is meant by derision? Derision is nothing but contemptuous, ridiculous or mockery. He laughed in derision for my decision, means he laughed with mockery for their decision. Okay, and the next one is the governor reduced himself to the level of a troll warrior by declaring that our gods and goddesses have been condemned to remain in lockdown, and wondering whether the CM has suddenly turned secular. He wrote to the CM that latter used to be a strong votary of Hindutva and cited his visits to temple as proof. This forces the conclusion that the intent, purpose and premise of the letter were all wrong. So just they gave it a letter. What was about that? And what the thinking was, oh, did our chief minister suddenly turn secular? And it's all about that. So, and what they finally said is that what all is written in the letter was wrong. And the next one is, a person's faith in Hinduism and its practice is not Hindutva. The Constitution envisage. What is meant by envisage? Foresee, forecast, predict, foretell. Okay, I envisage that it may rain today. Means I predict that it may rain today. And next, moreover, it is not the governor's job to interfere in the daily functioning of an elected government. Communication between the governor and CM must be perfectly civil and respectful, besides constitutionally appropriate, and at any rate, restrictions on gatherings at places of worship as a measure to combat. Combat means to fight with the pandemic. Okay. Combat a pandemic are not related to the concept of secularism. So what they are saying is, suddenly in the up they gave a phrase that suddenly turn into secularism. So what combating with the pandemic does not come under secularism. That's what they are all indicating it. His warped logic apart. What is meant by warped? Abnormal or strange, distorted. You can say that his speech was warped, means his speech was abnormal, his speech was distorted. Means if anyone come and interrupt in the middle, can say that his speech was distorted because of him. His speech was warped because of him. His warped logic apart, Mr. Koshyari has a track record of privileging his political fealties over norms and propriety. In November 2019, he held a swearing-in for BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis as the state's chief minister in a dubious means uncertain, doubtful, dubious attempt to preempt the formation of Shiv Sena-led alliance government. What is meant by preempt? Take action in order to prevent of happening. You can say that the meaning is forestall also. The contract preempts lawsuits by the company's clients, right? Next one is Mr. Thackeray rightly reminded the governor of the fact that secularism was a key component of the constitution and the need to take care of people while being sensitive to their beliefs and sentiments. Mr. Thackeray also descended into avoidable grandstanding in the letter by reiterating his own Hindutva credentials. Reiterating his own Hindutva credentials means reiterating means repeating, restate, retell, and credentials is nothing but belief, own beliefs. And revisiting earlier tussles. Tussles is also meaning of fight with the governor. NCP chief Sharad Pawar, on the other hand, called out the governor's ill-advised move in a letter to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in which he expressed shock and surprise that the letter was released to the media. The governor could convey his views to the CM, but the kind of language was unsuitable for someone holding a constitutional office, Mr. Pawar pointed out. Maharashtra is fighting a battle against COVID-19, and all steps in this regard must be based entirely on proper analysis of the situation. What is Maharashtra? It's nothing but Mumbai. Yes, of course, it's a very drastic situation that there are no insufficient hospitals to treat the patients. As it being a metropolitan city, there will be more immigrants in that, so that spreading will be more and slum areas are more. Everything is more for them, and the spread of pandemic, and they must fight and they must combat with the pandemic a lot. Every step you take must be properly analyzed and then be taken. Any political consideration can only be damaging. So in this situation, if you take a political consideration, it's just to damage the society. And a communal one will be dangerous. It is unfortunate that the governor nor sought to insert himself in the situation in an extremely unhelpful manner. He must treat and let the Council of Ministers and the Chief Minister take decisions that they consider appropriate and timely. This was about your first article, that is intemperate letter. So I hope everyone of you have understood the first article, and I thank everyone of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.